What's up, guys? We back with another one. Sorry I haven't been posting lately as usual. I've been super busy. I got a lot of videos coming up. We got another truck in from Roswell. We're doing a weld-on sunroof, blue suede on the headliner, and then we're gonna go ahead and paint his plastic. He just brought me the paint so I can paint the plastics, the handles and stuff like that to match. But here we are. We're doing a Camaro SS sunroof. Got a full house today. I got my my worker, got my brother out here helping me on my truck. We're scuffing everything down for the dash. We're gonna get that painted. Cut the brakes off. Alright guys, I got the headliner removed already. We're going to cover that in some blue suede, and then we'll go ahead and paint his plastics blue, just how he started painting a lot of parts blue. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, we got the headliner put on, the new suede. We got the hole cut out. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it, and then we'll have the headliner done. Working on the body work now, and then I got my brother working on interior pieces for the OBS, the tucking 28s, my truck, and we got some fender flares that just been dropped off off of a Jeep Rubicon, I believe. We're gonna spill those out and color match them. So busy this week. All right guys, the next day we got everything pretty much tightened up. We got the sunshade cover wrapped in the blue suede. We're gonna go ahead and I just painted this black part blue so it matches. We're gonna get that wrapped up, put it back on, throw the headliner back on, and then it should be done. We'll just wipe her down, clean the inside, and then call the customer up. We are jumping on the Jeep's fender flares. Those are gonna get smoothed out, textured, smoothed out, and then color match red. All right guys, we got the whole install done. This thing came out badass with the suede. We added the suede on the sun's cover. Oh, this thing looks nice. All it needs is interior, and it's his remaining plastics painted black or blue. Guys, we also went with the HD hood for the non-HD grill. That looks badass. Look at that. He just needs to put on his top plastics. Badass.